down there.
I'm watching him.
Truck.
Only molly quad.
Quad hit me. Fuck, he's still quad. Fuck, I've given 20.
Which out is it? Fuck, I got flanked. Fuck.
I'm in B. I'm in B.
He's fork.
What the fuck? I'm lagging. Man.
Jose, call that flash, please.
No, he's one at B. One at B right now. Just playing A. One's in B.
Sight.
Jose.
That was a lead the anchor, bro. Flashing for you, Mo?
No, he's there. Oh my, he got me blind! Completely blind! One more, John. This guy's playing in the opener. So. Good job.
Dude, my spray is so bad.
I got you blind. Come on.
No, I gotta look at it. This is sick.
It looks exactly like the final mouse.
Nah, boy,
Was shaped like an FK1 though.
Oh, it works. See, I told you this.
Oh my god.
It works at MM, bro. I don't know why. I think B's clear right now. To each other.
Could have pushed door. I'm in A main.
He's by the truck.
Oof. 1-on-1. Ooh, nice shot.
I knew he was gonna try some bullshit like that.
Good shot. Vent, Jose.
Oh, Jose! Above you, man, come on.
Oh my.
Oh, no, you gotta fucking, you waited for vent, man. We gotta go together, bro.
Got blocked. Who is that?
It was me.
Not me. He's on the left side.
Default in sight.
Top of cat.
Fuck, my bad. I thought you were just gonna go wide, bro. Like, we're all right there.
Man, I want a truck. Just wanted to shoulder peek.
Nice truck. Nice. Win this round. Watch A main. Yep. A main.
The balls on this guy.
Oh my god, dude.
You're a god.
Good job, man. Bomb if you can. Good job. Kind of set. Quad.
Sight.
Oh my god. We gotta. B's definitely their weakness, dude. I don't know. We can't do anything at A. They just don't rotate.
There's two on site.
No way. What the fuck happened? How are we dying so fast?
Sandbags.
Oh no. He box nice.
Shit.
They're on it now.
He planted behind default. You should have said.
Fuck.
Oh!
Fuck! I almost had it, dude. That ace. Fuck, bro. So close. Oh. Where's he? Fence?
Fence.
Fork. It's fence. One's fence and one's fork. Fence dead. Let's kill fork. Oh my god. I missed twice. He's inside. Oh my god.
Hey, mate.
Truck.
I'm flashing right now.
I'm so bad. I missed so many easy fucking shots, bro. I swear to god. Oh, I almost lost us that round. Dude, because they're not giving me any answers. I got 2 videos of mine with the community dial-line strikes and... Oh, 3B, 4B. Oh no.
Go.
I fucked up. 4B. My fault.
He's pre-fired.
Yeah.
Get that gun.
I whiffed.
He's coming.
He's
He's coming.
inside?
Front red.
Ooh.
You're dead.
Oh my god. I can't believe I didn't. How did that not kill him? 98, 91, 84. Dude, that was a second ace. 98 and 91 to those two.
They both died.
They
Right
both
there.
died. Alright, good. What the fuck?
Quad in sight. And port.
Gone.
Quad sight.
Damn, this guy Michael Starton really fucked me there.
Hey man and door, they're out.
God damn it.
There's one mid lit. 40 HP.
One's A main. What? Where? Dude, fuck!
Highway.
John, play A. Play A. Highway.
Highway.
Damn, bomb's down too. You should just walk to Jose. One on one, you got this. You heard him, I think. Oh no. Yes!
Whoa.
Good job, man. What a move.
Hey, I'll go ahead.
No way, I fucked up. One's boost. E-box. Shy. Oh, it's my fault. What's going on? I'm spamming under.
Come with the fence right now. Jose, I'm coming. Clear under. Check it real quick.
Go, Jose, go, Jose.
Huh?
Just
Yeah.
check here. Nice.
For a long time.
Got him. One more. Default. Come on, Jose, you got this. No,
What?
nice
Just
try,
jump
man.
shot me.
You should have kept your FAMAS there, man.
One door.
I wanted to.
Oh my god,
I wanted to close it.
Why, John? I'm right there. Why'd you do it?
I wanted to do the same thing, dude.
One's door.
Hey man.
20 me.
Right side, hey man.
He's going back. I don't know. That one.
Woo!
I'm just nading. Headshot, bro. Fuck. Nice.
God.
Hit the
Dude,
bomb.
he
Good
got
job, bro.
deep too. Wow. Hit him.
Operate, man.
Two site.
Fuck. Bro, dude, how did they? Oh. There's the up. Go get it.
One torch.
Oh no! Oh fuck! One more. Fuck me.
One team mid.
Oh man.
Just jumped in.
No. Don't believe
He's right
it.
there, jump. I got a molly.
Hey man. He boosted. Bro, this guy, he might be cheating. I'm gonna fucking check this motherfucker out. Okay, private thing. I can never
Hey, man,
prove
what
that this
is it?
motherfucker's cheating now, but I think he is.
He's left side.
Hey main and door. Last two. Door, last guy, door. Yes, Mexman, hell yeah. What that control? Woo! Jose with the control. Good job, guys. I'm fucking around.
I mean.
One. One more A in sight. Close mid. Get him. He's Z with the bomb. Or up. Z with the op. Get him together. Yes, baby. More. Stay at him. Stay on him. Fuck. Yes. Get my op.
Flashing Moe.
I don't see. I'm waiting for one guy to get caught crossing.
Coming with you.
We have kid.
Flank.
God damn, they're literally everywhere. Unlucky, man. fucking last round. I should have stepped this way. It's just every time, man. We can loot D rank on the tie.